What if one repair on your luxury car cost more than a brand new sedan and most owners never see it coming? Luxury cars deliver performance and comfort, but the repair bills can be shocking if you are not prepared. Why it's important? Understanding the most expensive repairs helps you avoid financial surprises and protect your investment. What to consider: brand reputation, parts availability, labor complexity, and warranty coverage matter more than sticker price. How to use properly: drive within manufacturer guidelines and avoid aggressive use that accelerates wear on high-cost components. Maintenance and care, routine servicing, genuine parts, and certified technicians reduce the risk of catastrophic failures. Common mistakes to avoid: skipping scheduled service, using cheap parts, and ignoring warning lights can turn small issues into huge bills. Step-by-step guide: identify high-risk components, follow service intervals, document maintenance, and address problems early. Cost comparison: luxury car repairs can cost several times more than mainstream vehicles due to advanced technology and labor. Real-life experiment: we compare real repair invoices from luxury owners to show what these repairs actually cost in the US. Quick tips: extended warranties, pre-purchase inspections, and preventive maintenance save thousands over time. Final thought: luxury ownership is amazing, but knowing these repair costs before they happen is what separates smart owners from shocked ones.